Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a dissolve effect in CapCut. So just going to select your video and I'm going to split the clip before until a few part and at close range. So okay. And then going to the transition and go to overlay transition. So you can select this one, dissolve 1, dissolve 2, or dissolve 3. And for instance I'm select this to dissolve 2. Just drag and forward, but when the clip so here we go. This is the result. So yeah guys, you can try this effect on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. You can click thanks button for a question. Bye bye.